Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back in ENV class. In last period, we started our second chapter, living and non-living things, and now we will continue in this chapter. Last period, you learned about living and non-living things, and now you will learn about natural and man-made things. Non-living things can be natural or man-made. Do you know what are natural things and what are man-made things? No. Some non-living things that are found in nature are called natural things. What can we find in nature? We can find hills, clouds, plants, water, trees, animals, air, cotton, wood, and coal. These all are natural things. In short, the things which are not made by man are called natural things. Now question is, what are man-made things? The things which are made by men. For example, scooter, book, chair, table, house, car, clothes, paper and pen. These all the things are made by man are called man-made things. Now turn your page number 2020. See this picture. In this picture, we see one boy, sheep, bicycle, water, stones, girl, and bench. From this picture, you can easily identify what is living thing and what is non-living thing. First one is boy. Boy is living or non-living? Yes, boy is living thing. Then bicycle. Bicycle is living or non-living? Non-living. And bicycle is natural or man-made thing? Do we get bicycle from nature? No. But bicycle is made by man. So bicycle is man-made thing and non-living thing. Third one is sheep. Sheep is living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. Do we get sheep from nature? No. But sheep is made by man. So sheep is man-made thing. Now stones. Stones. Do we get stones from nature? Yes. So stones are natural things. Gull. Gull is living or non-living? Yes, gull is living thing. Bench. Bench is living or non-living? Non-living. And bench is made by man? Yes, so bench is man-made thing. Water. Water is living or non-living? Yes, non-living. Water. Do we get water from nature? Yes. So water is natural or man-made? Yes, water is natural thing. Now see this PPT. Natural things means natural resource. A natural resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. For example, air, water, plants and animals. These all are natural things, means these all things we get from nature. Now, man-made things. Other non-living things are man-made, which means that people make them. What is man-made thing? The thing which are made by man is called man-made thing. For example, table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car. These all the things are made by man. Now, this example, man-made resources are something that people make and use. Pencil, clothes, bed, table, house, car and books. These all the things man-made and used also by man. So it's called man-made things. Importance of non-living things. Some non living things are needed by living things to live. Here are a few examples of how non living things, such as air, water, and soil, are useful to living things. First one is air. Living things need air to breathe. Air is most important for living life. Animals, birds, plants, human beings all need air to breathe. Second one is water. See this picture. How we use water? Living things need water to drink and to do many other things. In this picture, we can see that we are using water in different ways for cooking, bathing, watering plant, cleaning vessels, and drinking. And third one is soil. Plants need soil to grow. If we want to growing plants, first requirement is soil. Here our second chapter, living and non-living thing, is over. Bye bye.